Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we're gonna learn how to leave parking lot. How to leave from parking lot. So first of all, we have a reference car here. Handbrake down, drive, and we are turning left side. Left signal. Okay. So looking around, checking your surrounding. So again, you don't need to use your gas pedal, your foot on the brake. So what's the reference point is here. What's the reference point is here. So your reference point is here. Your bumper reach the front bumper or back bumper. Moving ahead. So my bumper reached my other bumper. Now all the way to the left. I'm turning to the left side. When you are in your lane, then straighten the wheel, 1.5 turning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos. See you in the next video.